Welcome to Learning Module 2, Defining and Measuring Variables. The topics in Learning Module 2 include an introduction to measurement, variables, also looking at constructs, as well as operational definitions of variables. An introduction to measurement. So what are the steps to the research process? First, you have to find an unanswered question that will serve as a research idea. Next, form a hypothesis and use the hypothesis. Develop an empirical observational research study that will either support or refute the hypothesis. Variables. These are the characteristics or conditions. It's important to evaluate differences or changes in variables. You must be able to define and measure the variables being studied. Constructs. Types of variables that are involved in research are well defined, easily observed, and easily measured. Some examples include height and weight. There are also intangible abstract attributes. Examples of these kind of variables include measuring motivation or self-esteem. In these instances, measurement is more complicated. Operational definitions are methods of defining and measuring constructs. The definition will help to determine how you're defining your variables and also what measurement tools you will use to measure these variables. Variables that cannot be observed or measured directly are important to consider. Examples include intelligence that can be operationally defined as a score on an IQ test. Hunger is another example where it can be operationally defined as the number of hours of food deprivation. Validity and reliability. Researchers have developed two major criteria for evaluating the quality of any measurement procedure. Validity has to do with measuring what the contract purports to measure. So when you're measuring intelligence, your measurement tool must be measuring the construct of intelligence. Reliability has to do with consistency, stability of your measurements, that you're getting the same results in multiple occasions.